Hey guys, welcome to Winter Wonderland here in Calgary, Alberta. I'm going to teach you guys how to be Canadian. You hear those snow blowers in the background? There's a snow blower over there and a snow blower over there, blowing the snow off the sidewalks. Yeah, so it snowed, so I thought it'd be a good opportunity to teach you guys how to be Canadian. We're gonna make some Canadian ice cream. How's that sound, eh? See a plane flying, taking off in the snowy weather here. All right, so first thing you need to make Canadian ice cream, you need a mug. It's a bit chilly out here. It's only about -20, but with wind chill, it's about -30, I think. So first thing you need is a mug. Look at that nice mug. All right, and just gonna put my camera down right over here. You can see. Ah, it's cold. All right, can you see me? Okay, the second thing you need. Oh, second thing you need is a spoon. All right, so we got our spoon there to eat our ice cream. And third thing you need, some maple syrup. 100% pure Canadian maple syrup. All right, now we're gonna warm up our hands a little bit. Okay, now see this fresh snow here, right? We're just gonna take the top layer of the snow. Look at that. We're gonna gather it up into our mug. All right, we got almost a full mug of snow here. Look at that. Okay, so a little bit more. There we go. Just grab a little bit more. All right, there we go. We got our snow and our spoon. We're just gonna drizzle a little bit of maple syrup on there. Oh wow, look at that, guys. Yes! How would you like some Canadian ice cream, my friends? There you go. From my heart to yours. Look at that. I'll give you guys the first bite of real Canadian ice cream. There you are. Oh, that is good. That's great. Wow, that is delicious. Real Canadian ice cream. That is so good, guys. My hands are freezing. Better make this a short video and go back inside to hide. So, just pocket this and I'll run back inside and eat my Canadian ice cream in the nice warmth of my house. I just wanted to just show you guys how to be a real Canadian and show you some sights here. The winter, it's first day of February here in Canada. So happy February. I love you guys. Take care. God bless you. Stay safe. And I'll see you over in the next episode of Mad English TV. Bye for now.